In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your lunge stabilization with a Bosu ball doing a front lunge variation. So there's a lot of things to go through with a front lunge on a Bosu ball, and I'm going to try to do them all one at a time, as simple as possible. So when we do a front lunge, what we're doing essentially, I'll take the Bosu out of the way for now, is we're going to bring the leg forwards, okay? So the front leg's going to come forwards. I track my knee, so my front knee, in the position of my second toe. So what I mean by that is when I come forwards and I come down, I'm looking to try and keep the knee in line with my second toe. I don't want the knee coming too far in or too far out. Now, let's now turn the attention to the back leg. So as I'm doing that with the front leg, doing a nice stride out, I'm then bringing my body into that upright position, looking forwards. I'm bending my back leg, and as I bend my back leg, I come from the whole of my foot being in contact with the floor to just my tiptoes. Okay, so this is what the forward lunge looks like. In terms of the knee, the front knee can go either in line with the toes, it can go slightly past the toes, or come before the toes when we come into the position. It depends on someone's mobility, range of motion at the ankle, and also what is susceptible for risk. So for somebody that's getting ankle pain or knee pain in the example of a lunge, what we might tend to do is try to make sure the knee doesn't come beyond the toes. For somebody that's got really good range of motion, really good knee strength, they're not going to get any problems with regards to the knee coming forwards over the toes. So what we want to do now is we want to do all of those principles, however, on the Bosu ball. There's two things we should mention. The Bosu ball now adds unpredictability because we've got an uneven surface, which means the ankle, knee and hip have to work extremely hard to balance the body. Also, if we put the ankle and the foot in the wrong position, the Bosu ball, for example, could move and slip during the exercise. If you're worried about that, pop it in the corner of the room or alternatively against a wall. So let's show you how to do exactly what we've learned, so that forward lunge, but now on a Bosu ball. So we take all the same principles. I'm a stride's length away. I'm going to put my right foot, because that's the leg I'm working, in contact with the middle of the Bosu ball. My left leg is going to bend and I'm going to come onto my tiptoes or just the forefoot when I come into the lunge with my back leg. I'm tracking the knee in line with my second toe, and I would repeat that for my desired sets and repetitions on one leg before doing exactly the same on the other, unless you're alternating from side to side.